you? Please answer me! No, that is Leo's toy.
Mia, stay close to me. Do not let go of my hand. Mom, Leo was right here. He was beside me, I promise.
Leo! This is not funny! Come out now!
Jack, I do not see him anywhere. Mom, I only looked away for 1 second. Just 1 second. Then Leo was gone. Mia, listen to me. This is not your fault. We will find your brother. But you must stay with me.
Excuse me! Did anyone see a little boy? Blue shirt, small red shoes. His name is Leo.
I am calling the police. Jack, keep looking. Mia, stay beside me. Mom, what if Leo is scared? What if he is calling us? Then we will hear him and we will keep looking. We will not stop.
But that morning did not begin with fear. It began like a normal family day.
Look, my fire truck. That's wonderful, sweetie.
Great job, buddy.
So cool, Leo. Mom, can I bring my toy with me today? You can bring it, but do not lose it. I won't, I promise. Leo, what did I just tell you?
Eat breakfast first?
Yes, and stop driving your toy on the table. But my car is hungry too. Leo, do you remember what happened at the zoo? Mom was looking for you for 20 minutes.
I wasn't lost. I knew exactly where I was.
Maybe, but nobody else knew where you were. The ducks needed me. They looked lonely. The ducks were fine. Mom was the one who was worried.
What a beautiful day. The weather is perfect.
I agree. It feels like a perfect family day. Stay outside all day. You say that every weekend.
Wow, look at those balloons. They're huge. Come on, Leo, stay with us.
I'm coming. I just want to look.
You can look.
But stay close.
Leo, do you remember Mom's rule? Which one? The rule about staying close. I know. That's what you always say.
Look, bubbles, there's so many.
They're everywhere. I've never seen this many bubbles before.
I think somebody's making them near the fountain.
Can we stay here for a few minutes, please?
A few minutes, but stay close to us.
I will, I promise. That bubble is going away. It is so slow and shiny. Leo, don't follow it. Mom said stay close.
Jack, can you watch Leo for a second? I want to check the map.
Of course, Leo is right fast.
I know.
I will keep my eyes on him.
Leo? Wait for me. It is going behind the flower shop.
I just want to look.
Leo, stop. You are walking too far. Leo, can you hear me?
Just one more second. The bubble is almost there. Maybe it will land on the flowers.
Leo, I have called your name 3 times already. Why didn't you answer me? I heard you. I was just watching the bubble. Look how pretty it is. You can't keep following everything you see. Mom told you to stay close.
I am close. You're right here.
This place is bigger than I expected. There are so many paths.
It's beautiful, though. The kids seem happy.
Where are Mia and Leo? I thought they were beside us.
They were here a moment ago.
Oh no.
The bubble popped.
Good. Now let's go back. Wait, what's that? What's what? Over there.
Look at those dinosaur balloons.
They're amazing.
They are nice, but we should go back.
Just 1 minute. Please. Just 1 minute. That's exactly what you said about the bubble. Leo? Leo, stop playing. Where did you go?
Wow, these balloons are so big. Maybe Mia can see them too. I will call her, Mia. Mom, Leo is not with me.
What? What do you mean?
He was next to me. Then he followed the bubbles. Now I can't see him.
Oh, Mia. Jack, Leo is not with Mia.
What? Where is he?
I don't know. He was here 1 second ago.
Stay with your mom. I'm going to look.
Jack, wait! Something's wrong. Daddy, I'm scared.
Mia? Mom? Dad? Where did everybody go?
Mom? Dad? Mia? Where are you? I don't like this. I want to go home. Mom, I'm sorry. I should have stayed closer to him. This is not the time for that. We need to find him first. What if he's scared? I know he's scared. That's why we need to find him quickly. I'm sorry. We'll find him.
My son is missing. He's 6 years old. Blue t-shirt, small red toy vehicle. Have you seen him?
I haven't. I'll help you look.
Officer, my child is missing!
Not yet, but we'll help you. Let's check the information desk.
Wait, Mom told me something. If I get lost, don't keep walking. Find a safe adult. Stay where people can see me. You're very brave, Leo. A lot of children would panic, but you remembered the safety rules. My parents taught me. They're over there.
Mom taught me. She said I should find a safe adult.
Your mom was right. Do you know your parents' names?
Yes. My dad is Jack. My mom is Sarah.
Wait, I think I just heard something. What is it? Did somebody see him? Stand by.
I should have stayed with him. Mia, listen to me. This is not helping. Don't blame yourself. Right now we need hope, not blame.
But it's my fault.
Shh, it's not. Leo, we're going to make an announcement, okay?
Will my mom hear it?
Yes, she will. I think she will. And my dad too? Yes, your dad too. Hopeful little boy voice, still emotional.
Jack, I think we found him. What? Where? He's safe, over by the fountain. Oh, thank God.
A little boy named Leo at the information desk.
Leo, that's my son. He's safe. Go to him.
He's there.
He's really there.
Come on, let's go.
Thank goodness. Please let him be okay.
Wait, I know that jacket. What is it, Leo? That's Dad. That's my dad. He's coming.
Leo!
Oh, Leo!
Mom!
Buddy, we found you.
I was looking for you. I was so scared. I'm sorry, Mom. Don't scare me like that again. I won't. Love you so much. I love you too.
What did we learn today?
Don't follow bubbles. And don't follow dinosaur balloons. And always stay close to your family. And if I get lost, find a safe adult.
Exactly, that's my boy.
Can we go home now? Yes, I think I've had enough adventures for one day.